Hello everyone, I'm greeting from National Foreign Employment Association. So today in this video I explained one of the job offer and then in our company's job fair event schedule. Okay, so at first that company's location is in Tokyo, one to two people, and then it is in working hours. It will be starting 9 a.m. and until 6 p.m. And about salaries in her, the bonus is possible 2 times a year, and then that company is in job detail leasing, repair for the car and painting car, and then who's speak to daily conversation in Japanese level. It is possible to challenge the job interview. If you interested that company's job offer and then more than another company's job offer, please visit our company's job fair event. It will be every day, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday it will be start 11 a.m. Tuesday, and Saturday, Sunday it will be start 2 p.m. And then if you visit in our company's job fair, you can get a yellow ticket and use to choose the one company. And then if you choose one company during that day, it will be possible in our company's first floor and for lunch. And then if you want to know more information, please contact in our office 03-6206-8058. Okay, so if you want to know more information, please in our company's job fair. Thanks for watching.